In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove audio from an AI video in Leonardo AI Desktop. Leonardo AI's desktop workflow is great for refining frames and improving visual consistency, but it doesn't really focus on editing or removing audio tracks. Because of that, the easiest and most reliable way to mute your video is to download it first, and then use a simple external tool to remove the sound. Start by going to your Leonardo AI personal feed and locating the final generated video you want to work with. Make sure you choose the finished version of the clip so you don't accidentally remove audio from the wrong file. Once you've found it, download the video to your device as an MP4. This gives you a local copy that you can upload into a separate editor. Next, open a free online audio removal tool in your browser, such as Video Audio Remover or AI Studios. These types of tools are designed specifically for quick edits like muting a clip, so they're usually very easy to use. Upload the MP4 file you just downloaded. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this may take a few moments. After the upload is complete, look for the option labeled Remove Audio. Click it, and the tool will process your video by stripping out the audio track while keeping the visual quality the same. This is helpful because you won't need to re-edit or re-render the visuals manually. Once the processing finishes, download the new silenced version of your video. It's a good idea to play it back right away to confirm the sound has been fully removed and the video looks exactly as expected. That's it. If Leonardo AI doesn't give you direct audio controls, this method is the fastest way to get a clean, muted version of your AI-generated video.